The marsh warbler is a mid-sized songbird who breeds across the most of temperate Europe and winters in South to East Africa, from Cape Province up to Zambia and Malawi. But to get to its wintering grounds, the marsh warbler travels around the Mediterranean, crossing the Red Sea, and spends time in East Africa, in Tanzania, Kenya, Ethiopia, and Somalia. My name is Michael, and I come from Uganda, here in East Africa, not Nigeria. As a child and as an adult, I have always enjoyed closed spaces being hidden. After much research, it turns out that marsh warblers actually never spend any time in Uganda. They seem to fly an elegant curve just to avoid it. I would like to note here that in my native language, Luganda, the marsh warbler is called AKANNUNA NSUBI, grass sucker. Marsh warblers are very similar in appearance to so many other old world warblers. They all have brown backs, black eyes, grayish bellies, and pointy beaks. If such a nondescript bird flies across their path, German birders sometimes refer to them as Kabefahr. Kabefahr. Kleine, braune Vogel. Naturalists once considered marsh warblers to be both one of the most innovative songbirds in the world, as well as one of the most one of the most imitators. They thought that 50% of marsh warblers' songs were imitations of European songbirds, and the other half, they thought, were warblers' own unique song, repertory, song, repertory. This southward until Francois Staurat had compared marsh warbler songs to 90 birds from the African continent. And it turns out that the marsh warbler is not a master innovator at all. He has no song of his own. He copies from the European birds and African birds. However, we all have traditions we write from. How else can we identify what is new? We create to reconcile our bodies of today. But yet, still we consider marsh warbler songs to be other birds' voices. I look a lot like my siblings, all 44 of them, except they are tall and I am not. I am also the only professional dancer in the family. And I have spent half of my life, if not most of it, dancing Ugandan traditional dances. I am Mondore, I am Monde Kawana. At community festivals, competitions, weddings, and other platforms, I later started creating contemporary dance. It wasn't enough. I started new life in China when I was old enough to know better. It didn't work out. I went back to Uganda. Fortunately, it didn't take long. In 2012, for the first time, I heard European birds singing. Around the time I met my sunshine, I knew it was time to stop this flying back and forth. I nested here. Marsh warblers nest in May. Just like me, he enjoys close spaces being hidden. And then he sings for his love, his memories, and for the joy of it. He combines everything that he has ever heard in his song